Yeah.
Especially wearing all black and everything like that.
It's getting cooler.
You know, I'm actually glad because
I'm gonna go all the way.
Can I sign something? What's it called? The forecast next week, it's supposed to be in like a low 70s, I think.
Next week?
I think so. We're gonna be, hey bro, we're gonna be famous.
Yeah, what's the overnight low though? Like 30?
Hey man, unless like, no respect.
What's that? I'm only here to make sure they don't beat the crap out of you.
Okay.
Sound good?
You're welcome to tell him how to shoot.
All right, so he is very cool,
Okay.
solid.
All right. Cool.
You know, we don't have anything to run from or hide about. You know, and
I thought we were on an episode of Cops. We were saying,
oh, dude, yeah,
Dude,
that's
hey.
what it felt like.
I was like, oh shit.
Cops in YPD got canceled. I don't know if you knew that.
I've heard that.
Yeah. So all there is,
It wasn't even live.
this is all there is now. Oh, and I'm not
It
live.
was kind of like it wasn't even live, bro.
Yeah.
So, do you know if they're still doing I think it's called like live rescue or something like that?
I don't know. Honestly, I haven't watched television in probably 11, 12 years. I haven't watched the news.
What do you watch since you're?
I'll watch YouTube. I get my news through the grapevine, through Facebook, but I really just...
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought you
Most of the news I get is a lie anyway, so, you know, I see what flows through Facebook, and I'm like, hey, okay, sure, whatever.
Well, I actually had the idea. Now, don't take it. We're on camera now. So this is copyrighted. Dan Most. What is today? The 15th?
yes, it is.
Okay. So a GoPro on a tricycle.
On a tricycle?
Tricycle.
Okay.
Now, I want to do snow cones and give them away. But I want to have a GoPro and a screen.
Sounds like a cool idea.
And a screen to where, you know, people that are, you know, in the hood trapped in, you know, can express themselves in an honest, genuine way. Without, now we'll have a filter so they can feel okay, and the guy across the block or whatever he's into doesn't come looks me up, so.
I like this. Obviously, you can tell that I appreciate tattoos and stuff, you know?
I'm probably just not artistic enough to understand, but in case you didn't hear, he wants to go around on a tricycle with a GoPro giving out snow cones in the hood so that people can express themselves. My translation is that I'm pretty sure that whatever this cop caught them with, they tried to smoke all the evidence.
That's what I was telling him. Like, a lot of really respect for the boss.
Yeah, right.
Really respectful. And somewhere, somebody, like, needs to be known. That needs to be known.
You know what? With all the people that I've contacted out here, you know what? One thing that I've learned, I've used, I guess you could call it, can't be much.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it, man.
Yes, I don't see it. But it worked out pretty well for
Yeah,
pretty well
honestly,
so
like,
far.
I've never been killed like that for like this, so yeah, I kind of like.
Yeah, no, I wanted to finish hearing what you were saying about, because yeah, like we are artists. Like, you know, to commit a crime to express yourself, it seems kind of silly.
It does. And we have an issue with it throughout this entire channel.
But that's what I mean. Like to have to express yourself, you have to commit a crime to do that. It feels funny. I don't want to have to break laws to go express myself.
Yeah.
So if we had more legal walls, more places like, you know, like back in the day, it used to be skates because they destroyed property.
Yeah,
And so they didn't build skate parks.
So
Like that's, so on camera today, that's what I really.
you know, that's an idea. As far as this is concerned, this property, I just see the barbed wire, that indicates probably should be on that side, because obviously we're allowed to be on this property. Let's say one thing to do though, I can't grow facial hair for nothing. Yeah, on this side. I can maybe grow a patch, like right here, and then
Little long hairs around
here,
the
probably
Now I can
not.
get what you're saying, but the way we walked in,
So no matter how we got in, all the property surrounding this entire channel is state. It belongs to the
Yes, sir.
state. Belongs to the state.
yes, sir.
So I know that. That we've been working
No,
on
that's-
for over now.
Yeah, I just wanted to clarify that we didn't go through the whole thing.
So,
Yeah, because
so that being said, come down from that trail up there. When you go back up there, next time you come, I'm sure you'll be up there again. Look at that fence line, there's a sign right there that says no trespassing. It says state property on it.
yes, sir.
And then that trail leads right onto that sign, right into that area where the tunnel, the first tunnel, you walk through the first tunnel, you walk
Yeah, there's that little
space. Then you can walk into the second set of tunnels that lead right into there.
Yeah,
That's all. It's all state property.
sorry. Yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to clarify that, like, fences are fences. There's a reason I got to check.
Yeah.
Hey, so they got you for trespassing on state property?
It was a warning.
Okay. I'm going to look into that too.
It was a warning.
Right, I get it. I'm going to look into it just because, I know that government entities have certain powers that they're sort of custodians over property. Government can't, what's that?
Cross railroad tracks, it's a felony.
The thing is, government can't own property. They can only, what do you call it? They can be a custodian over it, though. So I'm curious. So all these waterways are state property? Is that what it is?
State and Bernalillo County.
Okay.
Another reason why I contacted him, they were beginning to spray paint, and then he was.
That's what you were saying about Hart?
No liability involved with them.
So he was smoking marijuana, which is not legal in this state. And then
Supersedes.
they also had spray paint.
Okay. So marijuana is not legal in New Mexico?
No, you have to still have a prescription card.
Okay.
You have to have a card.
So if you had a card, though, I could be sitting right here smoking weed in front of you, right?
Not necessarily. It has to be in certain locations. I would have to.
He's going to turn around.
I would have to look up exactly where you can and can't smoke it.
Okay.
But that being said, you can't just smoke it wherever you want.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So you guys are free to leave. And like I said, you can come down. Next time, if we do catch you on a property that's close to your that being said, you go to your car.
If I did have my card with me,
Really, if there's nothing on it,
you still
you
probably
should
could
have
take
a
it.
medical condition where you have to stay home.
Yeah. Well, so if I did have my card with me and I had that, you'd probably still take it, right? Because I was smoking right there, maybe.
Maybe not necessarily. I would have to look up the statute and see exactly where you can and can't. I usually catch people with meth and heroin out here.
Yeah.
Not
So it's a
usually
little bit different there.
So I know the laws about meth and heroin. I would have to read about this.
Yeah.
and that-
Okay.
Either way,
That's either one I got.
Yeah, we're-
can't have it out.
Yeah.
Is it a citation for the marijuana or just a warning for that, too?
Today it's a warning.
Awesome. Hey, thank you.
And,
Hey,
and this.
can I smell it?
Oh, it smells good,
no,
man.
I have to hold on.
I won't touch it. Can I just smell it, though? Can it?
So
No, but it's kind of sad. It was good evidence.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
It's good evidence?
For sure.
Yeah.
Just wrap it up and smoke it. Don't get high.
okay.
What do you say, officer?
Reminds me of that
What do
movie
you
Friday.
say?
Sorry?
You wanna smoke?
Citation, you get
Yeah.
kind of red eye.
Reminds me of that movie Friday. Or all three of them,
So
actually.
like I said.
What is it? Friday after next
Yeah.
Friday or something like
Yeah.
that? It's supposed to be making
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so for warnings, like you said, and 40.
Yeah.
Hey, you too, man. I don't know if you're scared of COVID or anything, but.
No, I'm not afraid of COVID.
Yeah, all right. Have a good one, brother.
Y'all have a great day.
You too. All right, thank you for being cool.
For sure. Thank y'all for being
Who does your tattoo work?
Hey, man.
A guy named Aaron Burns.
Yeah.
Yeah, because a buddy of mine, Abdon Sarah, used to do a lot of the cops, I guess, and just passed away. So,
What shop did he work
Million Star.
I don't think that's
a lot out of weird morning. Yeah, and then a lot out of.
What do you think it is?
I mean, I don't want to jump to conclusions before I take it. I'm also, he's not marijuana.
Yeah.
He's not qualified to determine if it's marijuana or a fucking fig tree. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's only one person here qualified to know if it's marijuana.
Who's that?
That's me.
Most of it, yeah. Other than,
Oh, dude, that's genius with the little headlamp on there. Yeah, I've got a bunch of those, and I need to put one on mine.
It's a perfect spot.
Yeah.
Pop shining lights in my eyes. That's it. I'll shine it right back.
Yeah, especially at night though. I get bad footage because when it's not well lit. You know, that's not too bright. They shouldn't be complaining about it, but it illuminates enough to.
When you turn the flashing part on.
Yeah, I saw that with the security guard.
Dan Most, 15, 2020. What's up?